Create wooden garage storage ideas to maximize space. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Are you tired of collected and disorganized garages? In this video we will explore some creative wooden garage storage ideas to help you maximize space and keep your garage organized. From shelving units to overheat storage solution, these ideas will transform your garage into a functional and efficient space. Watch now and say goodbye to collector for good. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are dividing into the world of garage organization with some fantastic wooden storage ideas. If you're ready to reclaim your garage space and bid farewell to collector, and you are in right place, let's get started. First, subscribe and press the bell icon and like this video and share to your friends. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to maximize garage storage is with wall-mounted wooden shelves. These shelves provide ample space for storing tools, equipment, and other items while keeping the floor clear. Like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. A pegboard for a tool organizer is a versatile addition to any garage. By attaching wooden pegboard panels to the wall, can easily hang and organize your tools, keeping them within reach whenever you need them. For more polished look, consider the installing wood cabinets and drawing your garage. These provide connected and storage for items you want to keep outside, such as automatic supplies, gardening tools, and cleaning projects. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe for more ideas. Space is over your garage. Installing wooden shelves or racks near ceiling or walls take advantage of vertical space and storage like seasonal decoration and bulky sports equipment. If you enjoy working while you build your own custom workbench or built-in storage, a wooden workbench with drawers or shelves underneath and provide a dedicated space project while keeping your tools organized when assembled. Discover how to store organized tool style with a creative wooden toolbox ideas. Whether you are a dietitian and professional craftsman, these ideas will inspire you to create functional and aesthetically pleasing storage solution for your tools. Start with a classic model toolbox design featuring a sturdy handle or remove tray. This timeless design perfect for storing a variety of hand tools from hammers and screwdrivers and wrench and pliers. Custom these size and layout components